Welcome back. So I'm going to show you a few more things that I don't think I've covered previously. First off is how to hide applications. So what you do is you tap on the menu button here, then tap Application Manager. It will just takes you to the app settings of the AOSP settings. And then what you want to do is go ahead and find an app that you want to hide from the app section. So we'll just scroll all the way down here. So we can just, for example, tap on this and then tap that. And now if you back up to home screen, as you can see, the app just disappeared. If you really want me to cover this so-called Wi-Fi book transfer in a future video, let me know in the comments, or I might just go ahead and do it if I feel like doing so. And of course, you can just continue to repeat the process for your other applications. I'm gonna actually just leave the Wi-Fi book transfer not hidden because I plan to cover that in a future video. Next is how do you enable the split keyboard. As you can see, it's split. However, by default, it's this kind of regular layout. And sorry if my words sound weird, but I like pause and then I go and change the settings for like a few minutes and come back here. So how do you change the keyboard to be a split keyboard? Well, you go into the AOSP settings and then go to language and input, Android keyboard AOSP, appearance and layouts, and then you can put an option. You can just tap on enable split keyboard and turn that on. There you go. You now have a split keyboard. And by the way, there's this option for themes here. It says Material Light, but this is actually Boyue's own custom theme. But they decided to just modify the Material Light instead of like creating an extra Boyue OS option here. But I mean, it's kind of understandable, probably maybe because they didn't know of a way to like just add an extra theme to it. Yeah, don't actually change that theme part. I mean, you can, but the rest of it's like just the default Android stuff. So of course now if I go back to the web browser and I pop open the keyboard here, as you can see, it's now a split keyboard. Next, how do you enable the battery percentage? Well, normally it's like this where it's just the icon. However, this is how you enable it. Again, you want to go into your AOSP settings, then go to battery, and you will then see an option for battery percentage as the first option here. So just turn that on, and there you go, you have battery percentage now. So yeah, that is about it on how to enable the battery percentage and the split keyboard.